Fyodor Dostoevsky, a Ukrainian, said, pain and suffering are inevitable for a large intelligence and a deep heart. Welcome to 2 Minutes on Tuesdays with Charles, your weekly tonic. Today, we are furthering our conversation on effective decision making. I said that your decision has to go through certain tests for it to really be effective. The test of definition, what do I want? The test of destination, why do I want it? The test of offering, what do I give for it? And then the test of suffering. What's the difference between the test of offering and the test of suffering? In the test of offering, we talk about what you need to give to get it. But in the test of suffering, we talk about what you need to give up to get it. In decision making, you need to make up your mind on what pain will lead to gain. And here's the reason why. Sometimes we can have pain without gain, but you cannot have gain without pain. So choose your pain. Is this decision worth the suffering that it will entail? Is this decision worth the pain that is involved? When you put your decision making through the crucible of suffering and you feel justified that I am ready to give up this for that, then you're ready. Giving up planting corn in order to plant yam. Giving up the pleasure of association in order to build in isolation. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you ready to suffer in order to produce the results that you seek? That is the test of suffering. A key in effective decision making. For nothing goes for nothing. I'll see you next week.